In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bulk send in DocuSign, so you can send the same document to multiple recipients at once without manually adding each person one by one. If you regularly send agreements, contracts, onboarding forms, or any document that needs multiple signatures, this feature will save you a huge amount of time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical DocuSign tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your DocuSign account and navigate to the document you want to send. This should already be uploaded and ready inside the Prepare screen, where you normally add recipients and assign fields. If you're starting from scratch, you can click New and upload your document, then proceed to the Prepare step. Once you're on the document where you want to add bulk recipients, this is where the bulk sending process begins. Now, look at the Recipients section. You'll see the Add Recipient button. Instead of just typing in one name and email address, click on the small arrow next to the Add Recipient option. This dropdown gives you additional ways to add people to your envelope. This is an important step because the bulk options are hidden inside this dropdown, and many users miss it. After clicking the arrow, select Add from Contacts. This allows you to pull in multiple recipients that are already saved inside your DocuSign contacts list. If you haven't added contacts yet, you'll want to do that first by going to your Contacts section in DocuSign and importing or manually adding them. Having your contacts preloaded makes bulk sending much faster and more organized. Once you click Add from Contacts, a contact selection window will appear. Here you can browse or search through your saved contacts. To bulk send, simply select all the contacts you want to include. You can usually check them individually, or if available, use a Select All option to quickly highlight everyone in the list. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct recipients, especially if you're sending a sensitive or legally binding document. After selecting all the contacts, click Add. DocuSign will automatically populate the recipient list in your document with all the selected contacts. From here, you can assign roles if needed, such as signer, CC, or approver, depending on your workflow. Make sure each recipient has the correct role before moving forward. Next, review the document itself. Assign signature fields, date fields, initials, or any other required fields to the appropriate recipient. This step is critical because each signer must have their own assigned fields. If you're sending the same document individually to each recipient, ensure the fields are properly set up for the role you're using. Once everything looks good, click Continue and review the email subject and message. You can customize this message so recipients understand what the document is and what action is required. A clear message helps improve response times and reduces confusion. Finally, click Send. DocuSign will now send the document to all selected recipients. Each person will receive their own notification email with instructions to review and sign the document. You can track the status of each envelope directly from your DocuSign dashboard under the Manage section. And that's it. That's how you bulk send in DocuSign using your contacts list. It's a simple but powerful feature that can dramatically speed up your document workflow, especially if you're sending forms to clients, employees, or large groups. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow DocuSign guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.